Everyone is Equal, the Kids' Book of Tolerance. What is tolerance? Tolerance means accepting people for who they are. Max, Sadie, and Lucy play together in the pool. Everybody is a little bit different, but we are all human. Miss Garcia's students are excited. The class is going on a field trip. It's good to accept our differences. It's even better to celebrate them. Life would be boring if everyone was the same. Tolerance makes peace possible. Without tolerance, everyone would fight all the time. What can you do? How can you be more tolerant? Be tolerant of how others look. Someone may dress differently than you, or someone may have a different skin color. Don't judge people because of how they look. Be tolerant of others' abilities. Not everybody has the same abilities. Some people learn slowly. Other people can't do certain things. Don't judge them. Try being nice. Andrea helps Gabby learn to count. Be tolerant of others' beliefs. Cultures have different beliefs. You don't need to agree with them, but try to respect them. It's okay to talk about differences. If you have a question, ask the person directly. Get to know each other. Carrie asked Jillian about her wheelchair. Now they are good friends. Learn more about our differences. Intolerance is often caused by fear of the unknown. Learn about the ways people are different. It will help you be more tolerant. What will you do? What is one thing you can do to be more tolerant?